So hello everyone, this is Tushar. Today I'm gonna tell about the MacBook Air 512 GB 2020 version, which I bought it yesterday. So starting with the video, first of all I'm gonna clear it that how did I get this MacBook for 98,229. So first of all, the MRP of this MacBook Air 512 GB version 2020 is 1,22,990 rupees. So I just bought this MacBook for my business purpose. So what I did was that I availed the GST input tax credit, which without tax costed me around 1,04,229. And Apple was also running an offer on the HDFC Bank credit card, which was the 6,000 rupees cashback, which is to be credited after 120 days from the purchase date. So this is how this MacBook Air 2020 space gray color 512 GB costed to me around 98,229 rupees. Now coming to the fact, why did I didn't go for the MacBook Pro rather than the MacBook Air instead of switching to MacBook Pro? Firstly, my use was very minimal. I didn't have to use for any intense working or any editing kind of a thing. So I chose this MacBook Air, and I just chose it for the purpose of storage. That's it. And one major thing in this MacBook Air 512 version is that the 256 GB version comes with an Intel i3 processor, that is the 10th generation one, but this 512 GB version comes with the Intel i5 processor, which is the 10th gen. And starting with it, I feel this is the space gray one version. Space gray. I'll just go on with this configuration. What all do we get in this? The first thing which we get is this is a 13.3-inch diagonal Retina LED back display. This display comes with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. As I told you before, this is the Intel i5 processor. This runs on the Intel i5 processor with turbo boost up to 3.5 GHz, 8 GB RAM, and 512 SSD. Secondly, this comes with the stereo speakers, and the output of the speakers are really very nice, and it comes with a USB-C port. This also comes with a Touch ID, and I'll talk about the response of the Touch ID later in the video. And this comes with a Magic Keyboard, backlight keyboard, and yeah, and Mac OS pre-installed in this, and the FaceTime HD camera. So let me just show you with the device first. So this is the device itself. This comes with one adapter. This is the USB Type-C adapter, and this comes with an USB Type-C cable. That's it. This is what we get in the box, the charger itself. Now coming to the device itself, this is the space gray one version. This here on the left hand side we get the two USB-C ports, and moving to the back we don't have any other port except this, the headphone jack port. This is the 3.5mm headphone jack port. That's it. Now turning on the device, first of all let me clear it to you, this device I got it from Kirti Nagar Moments Mall, and the service provided by them was very nice. So this is what I just turned on right now, and talking about the fit and finish of this laptop, uh, you don't need to like worry about the fit and finish and the quality on this, because it is Apple. So coming with this, comparing this, I even have that the 2014 MacBook Air version, and comparing this with that one, the screen size of this is very like a bit smaller than that. And the major feature, like the major change which I noticed about this is the Touch ID, because see, when I just the response of the Touch ID is really very nice. I'll just show you the response once I lock the screen, and just the Touch ID is located at this right corner over here. Once I just press at this button, the laptop opens, and it unlocks, right? Talking about the configuration, first of all, about this Mac, this comes with this, as I told you, that the 512 GB version comes with a Mac, this 1.5 GHz quad core Intel i5 core processor. This is the 10th generation one, and it comes with memory 8 GB, that is the RAM, and Intel Iris Plus graphics. and I'm just gonna show you the storage. From 512 GB version, I'm getting around 500 GB available out of this, and that's it. This is a nice piece. And coming to the color, this color seems to be very nice. I even considered with the rose gold color, but I didn't like it that much because this color resembled with my the iPad. I'm just gonna show you. This color is like similar to the iPad. This is the iPad Air 2, and this is very similar. This color is very similar to this, so I chose this color. And see, going with the size, it's been 2 days working on me, and I'm surely testing its battery backup, that how what battery backup does it gives me, and comparing with it the 2014 MacBook Air version. See, this is the 2014 MacBook Air version, and this one is the new 2020 version. In this, in terms of size, this seems to be a bit smaller than this. And what I mostly liked about this, the old one version, was that it came with the Apple glowing light at the back of it, but this doesn't come with that glowing Apple at the back. I really like that. So, coming on the fit and finish, both these are really very nice. And comparing in terms of the display, this 2020 version comes with a more crisp display, and you can see more sharp images on this. I'm just gonna turn the brightness to the highest point, and here's the brightness level. And this one is the old one, and turning its brightness to the highest, and this is the display of the old one. See, I even thought to go for the 256 GB version, but the 256 GB version, I didn't like it because it came with the i3 one. I wanted to switch to a higher processor. And coming to the trackpad of the laptop, the trackpad of the laptop is very smooth from the previous generations which Apple offered, and the response of the keyboard is really very light, and you feel that there is a difference in the smoothness in the keyboard when you work on. And this comes with the HD camera, and the quality of the stereo speakers offered by this is really very nice. This comes with a surround sound kind of a thing, and the volume of the speakers are really very loud. So what I got along with this one was the 7-in-1 multifunctional Type-C power hub, which I bought it from the Apple store itself. The MRP showing on this is 7,490 rupees, because you need to buy it because Apple does not provide any other ports except the Type-C one. So you need to buy it as an extension so that you can connect other your external devices to your laptop. And this device has 5 ports in it. The 2 ports provided is the USB Type C one. The one is the micro SD card reader, and the one are the normal USB ports. So I purchased it along with this, and even Apple provided me with the 600 loyalty points, which I got it from the when I purchased the MacBook Air. So this 600 rupees were adjusted in its MRP. So as I availed the input tax credit on this purchase, this effectively costed to me rupees 98,229 rupees. And for this amount, I think it is a worth deal. Thank you.